They are there. No, they are here.
My food!
Do you see them?
Yeah, that's my food.
Wait. No, just wait there. We'll give them some cookies. Or come back. Get up.
I want now go to other friends.
You see these ones? They remember you, so they are here. Now let's give them some cookies. Just a few, okay? Have it.
See her to
Break it into pieces.
Mommy.
No, smaller pieces.
Okay.
See, they've started coming.
She's eating my cookie.
Yes, break it into smaller pieces. No, it's too. Give it to me. Let me help you. Let's make it a lot so that all of them will get some, okay? Okay, have it. Throw it to them.